Thank you for your patience. I really appreciate you. You ordered like a couple weeks ago when we were waiting for us to make a harvest so we could send you the freshest cuttings. Get those in some pots right now. I can't believe you're watching. Thank you so much. This is amazing. Someone's ordering from us and saying thanks for the package. My pleasure. Thank you for your patience and trusting and knowing that we were going to be sending that out. And you're probably really happy to get those. And if there's any trouble with the cuttings, if they don't sprout, if you're having trouble, I'm pretty sure that we added some seeds in there. We try to add always extra stuff. And the book there, that manual, thank you so much. That means a lot to me. I'm glad that you got it, and really appreciate everybody. We wrote a book. Actually, you got the manual there, which we're going to be finishing that manual. That's just chapter 1. There's 9 other chapters in that manual. So we're going to be writing and working that manual a little bit better, because I wrote that manual about 2 years ago, and it has a lot of great information about the co-op, and we're expanding and growing. Awesome. Thank you. Yeah, Yasmin really helped put that package together. We have a helper here at the farm, and she was asking me, she was like, should I throw some seeds in there? I'm like, yes. At any time you feel like you need to throw some extra in the package, please throw extra. So she's just throwing extra things in the package. So if you order from us, just know most likely you're going to be getting a little something extra in there as a surprise. Like if you've never tried the spice before, sometimes I throw in a pack of spice. If you've never had the powder before and you're getting the capsules, sometimes I'll throw in a little baggie of powder just so you can try the powder too by itself and add it to your breads. We're cooking with moringa. We're making bread with moringa. Someone's here